real-life problems that can be solved by statistics. Welcome to the wonderful world of statistics. Objectives. 1. Identify statistical and non-statistical question. 2. Identify numerical, discrete, or continuous and categorical data sets. 3. Pose real-life problems that can be solved by statistics. And 4. Formulate simple statistics instrument. What is your understanding of the word statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that involves the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. It provides a set of tools and techniques for understanding and making decisions based on data. Statistical question is one that can be answered by collecting data that vary. There are two types of data, numerical and categorical. Numerical dataset are those in numerical form which are either continuous or discrete. Discrete data are those that can be counted infinitely. Continuous data are measurements that can take any value from n's infinite range. Categorical data take non-numerical values, such as colors, information, or questions that are answerable by yes or nitrogen monoxide, labels, etc. Example, large, medium, and small. The 4 steps below can be followed to solve real-life problems using statistics. 1. Pose a question that can be answered by data. 2. Determine a plan to collect data. 3. Organize and summarize the data. 4. Interpret the results and answer the question posed in step 1 using the organized and sum data. Example of statistical questions. 1. How many hours do the grade 7 students spend time in studying? Summarizing question 2. Do grade 7 students spend more time in social media than studying? Comparing question 3. Do students who spend more time in studying do better in exam? Relationship question. Example of non-statistical questions. 1. How old are you? 2. What is your favorite subject? 3. How many siblings does Irene have? Take note that each example of a non-statistical question above has definite answer and do not need data to be gathered. Examples of categorical data. 1. Since our country is infected with coronavirus, do you follow the health protocols given by the Department of Health? 2. Winter melon is my favorite milk tea flavor. 3. Blue signifies calmness, tranquility, relaxation, and peace. Examples of numerical data. A discrete data. 1. Number of boys and girls in grade 7 per section. Faith. 2. The result of rolling 3 dice. 3. The number of books in the shelves. B. Continuous data. 1. The heights of all grade 7 students. 2. Age of a person. 3. Distance traveled by an airplane over time. Sample problem. On January 20, 2020, the first case of COVID-19 was reported in the Philippines. Asterisk, this event was followed by the declaration of the COVID-19 outbreak as a global pandemic by the WHO on March 11, 2020. Asterisk, asterisk. To solve this problem, data are gathered to answer the following statistical questions. 1. How many people in every province of the country are being infected by the virus daily? 2. What sectors of society are severely affected by the pandemic? What I have learned. Determine whether the question is a statistical question or not. 1. What time did I wake up this morning? 2. What are the heights of grade 7 Dahlia students? 3. What was the high temperature of the regions in Mindanao yesterday? 4. How old am I? 5. Do students want face-to-face classes? The no. B. Identify whether the following if it is categorical, discrete, or continuous data. 1. The volume of a prism. 2. Hours of sleep of a high students. 3. The weight of a sack of rice. 4. The height of a pineapple plants. 5. Eye color of my pets.